Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Bybit to bank account. First of all, launch your Bybit mobile application, then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, all of your assets must be in the unified trading account, but you will have to first transfer them into your funding wallet. For that, you need to tap on the unified trading account and then tap on the transfer option. After that, you just have to make sure unified trading account is on the top, and in the to section we have the funding account. Now here you need to tap on the coin section and you need to search for USDT, or you can even select any other coin if you want to convert it, but for this video let's say I have selected USDT. Now you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to convert and tap on the confirm option in the bottom. Once done, you just have to go back and then now you need to tap on the funds option. Over here you need to select the withdraw option and now select the fiat option. Over here you will be able to see various types of cryptocurrencies, or basically various types of fiat currencies that you can withdraw into your bank account. Now among these you just have to select the currency as per your country. So let's say I have selected USD, so I'm simply going to select USD. Now you need to enter the amount over here and then select the payment method. After selecting the payment method, you just have to press continue in the bottom, and on the next page you just have to provide your banking details and follow further instructions in order to withdraw your money from Bybit to bank account. Now in most of the countries the fiat option might not be available, so in this situation what you can do is you can simply use the P2P trading option. For that, come to the home page and tap on P2P trading. Here you need to tap on the sell option, and after that you just have to select the merchant. Then you need to tap on the sell button right next to their profile and enter the amount that you want to sell. In the payment method you will have to select your bank account, then provide your banking account details, and you just have to simply get the money in your bank account and sell your USDT on Bybit. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.